good morning to you. How are you all? Good morning to all my subscribers, viewers, commenters, etc., etc. And I just want to say thank you for your comments, especially regarding some of you think I'm a little bit too whiny. Maybe I can be at times, but I call it as I see it. And I will try to be a little bit more patient with P-platers and L-platers. I mean, yes, I admit that maybe I could have been slightly different, but I'll just reiterate on that P-plater at the roundabout, for example, in the last video thereabouts, that I cut that clip down a little bit to save a bit of time, but there was actually, that driver was sitting at that roundabout for an ample amount of time that could have turned safely, so you didn't see just exactly how long that driver was sitting there, which is why I didn't understand. But anyway, it is what it is, and as I say, I call it the way I see it, but I will certainly rethink things. Got a new dash cam is on order and arriving very soon. I will have 4K at the front and high definition rear, so that should clear up a lot of picture quality and improve a lot of things. A lot of my footage is around the Coomera area because that is where I'm based and where I work. However, I will happily accept video footage from anywhere in Queensland, so if you're anywhere in Queensland watching this and you have something interesting, please submit it. Let's get some more interesting clips from around Queensland on the channel. I would love that. Oh, this was brilliant. That guy in the white van just turned right. He turned to the left from a straight ahead lane there. So, yeah, well, there you go. So you capture something even as I'm talking. But anyway, yeah, so if you're based anywhere in Queensland, it's a nice looking van actually, the Staria. They're not too bad looking. Yeah, anywhere in Queensland, please send your clips to me at dashcamsgoldcoast@hotmail.com. If you've got a Google Drive or you don't have one, just make a Google Drive, upload your clips to your Google Drive, then share the link to dashcamsgoldcoast@hotmail.com. That's the easiest way to do it, and then I can add and give you credit, add your clips to that, because I'd love to see what goes on in your part of the world. Anyway, keep those comments coming. I do value all of your feedback, even the ones who say that I'm a little whiny. I value all of your comments and all of your feedback. You know, so yeah, as I say, got something to contribute that's interesting in your part of Queensland, send it along to me. Let's all see it. Let's all have a good look at it. And a shout out to Scott's Car Cameras, who yes, some of the clips on the earlier videos were from Scott's Car Cameras. I found out they were a bit older, but I was unaware. They were just uploaded to me and no name was given, so I just thought I'd share them as well. I've been in touch with Scott, and he runs a great channel, and a lot of people have said, oh, you know, my channel is very similar to Scott's in some regard, and in some regard, yes. Because Scott has a very similar sense of humour to what I have. So I have only sort of really jumped on board taking it seriously as of the start of this year. And of course I want to make them fun and entertaining just like Scott's does. I'm trying not to use the same the same sort of content. I'm trying to use maybe something similar, but trying to vary it so that it's not the same. But Scott's Car Cameras, of course, is a good channel, and he's located in New South Wales, whereas we are Gold Coast and Queensland. So yeah, anyway, there you go. Don't forget, as always, to have yourselves a great day, and we will see you in future clips. Subscribe, like and comment as always.
Now here's something we hope you'll really like.
Wanker 972DE8. Wanker. wanker. And don't tell me this one doesn't fucking deserve it. He does.
You big-head wankers!
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god.
Peter, what are you doing? Crack?
All units, report to 254 Avenue de los Mexicanos.
The boys in blue. Oh yeah, they're flying along. Oh, they're going around the corner here. They got the divvy van, so something big's going on.
This isn't happening. Everyone look away, please. Nothing to see here.
25% above the 1961 to 1990 average, with around 587 millimetres falling last year. The Bureau of Meteorology is warning our weather will become more unpredictable if climate targets are not strengthened.
Oh, fuck off, you clown. You fucking serious? Fuck's sake. Fucking what a moron. Just fucking force your way in like that. Fucking dickhead. Headlights!
Don't you know you can't drive a piece of shit like that on the highway?
Fucking idiot.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
$228 DK2. You're a fucking dickhead. What are you gonna do now? Go through a fucking red light? You are going through a fucking red light, you fucking wanker!
Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.